If you're looking for a simple and easy breakfast treat to make in the morning that's also healthy and only takes a few minutes to make, then I have you covered with these fantastic strawberry bites. Now this entire recipe is just done in a food processor, but if you've got a powerful blender you can also use that as well. So into our food processor or blender we're going to start off by adding 1 cup of frozen strawberries, and then to that I'm going to add another cup of rolled oats, preferably quick oats, and then half a cup of coconut flour or desiccated coconut, half a cup of sunflower seeds, and finally 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And now we're going to process it until we get to a nice sticky batter type consistency. Okay, so once everything's combined and you get to a nice sticky consistency throughout, now you can go as fine as you like, but when I make it I like a bit of texture. So it's still fine, it's all mixed together, but you've still got a bit of texture involved. But either way it's still going to taste delicious. Okay, so what we have to do now is with our mixture, now I've got some more desiccated coconut. So we're just going to grab say small amounts like so, and we're just going to roll them into balls. So they're nice and round, then we're going to dip them in our coconut, just cover them up, put them on a plate and just continue on until we make up all our lovely, lovely bites. Now would you look at those delicious strawberry breakfast bites. They are simple, they are easy, they are absolutely delicious. Now they're not overly sweet, they got the natural sweetness from the strawberry, but I've done that so we can have a breakfast treat that is so healthy, but also tastes fantastic. Now if you want it a little sweeter, you can add a little bit of honey or some maple syrup. But honestly, as a treat, they're fine just the way they are. So they're perfect in the morning, they're perfect during the day. They're great with coffee, great without coffee. But either way, no matter whether you have them with coffee in the morning or afternoon, they're going to taste simply delish.